October 31st. This is the snow we got since yesterday. Well, we got about, I don't know, 5 more inches of snow. It is wet and it's heavy. And it is some storm. If anybody knows how big a Toyota FJ is, that's what's under all that snow right there. That's Evelyn's house. You can't even see her porch.
Some of it's been shoveled.
Yeah. We're just trying to make a path to over there in case she needs anything. This is something else. Take you back out back. Oh my, it's cold. They did drop the blizzard warning to just a winter weather advisory. Porch is slick. Whew. I took a picture of this video yesterday, and this will give you an idea. That's the it's hard to believe that so much snow, and this is heavy. This is just really some of the heaviest snow I've seen in a while. Well, that's about it, folks. Snowstorm of Halloween storm of 2012. Wow. We'll see you when it thaws out. As far as it goes, we're up on Bellburn Hill and we are totally snowbound. We're not going anywhere. We can't even get our 4-wheel drives out of the driveway, so that's bad. So everybody, stay safe, stay warm, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.